Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Salesforce Sandbox account. First, understand that sandboxes are crucial for safe development and testing. They provide isolated environments, ensuring your live production organization remains unaffected by ongoing work. Salesforce offers several types, each designed for specific needs, from simple coding to full-scale integration testing. Let's dive into the different options available to you. Salesforce provides 4 main sandbox types. Developer sandboxes are perfect for individual coding, offering 200 megabytes of data storage. Developer Pro sandboxes expand this to 1 gigabyte, suitable for larger development efforts. Partial copy sandboxes include your metadata plus up to 5 gigabytes of production data. Finally, full sandboxes are complete copies, including all data, but refresh less frequently. Creating a sandbox is straightforward. First, log into your Salesforce production organization and navigate to Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Sandboxes and select it. Click the New Sandbox button, then choose the type that best fits your needs. Provide a unique name and a helpful description. Finally, click Create. The process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, depending on the type and data volume. After creation, activate your sandbox from the Sandboxes page. Remember to refresh your sandboxes periodically to ensure they reflect your current production configuration and data. A consistent naming convention, like DEV or name or UAT Project X, will greatly improve organization. When moving changes, utilize change sets or robust deployment tools for efficient and error-free metadata transfers. These practices ensure a smooth development lifecycle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.